When I first saw that irresistible smile, I was fully entranced, much like I am right now. The way you danced carefree into the night, through rain, laughing, loving life, you were absolutely magnetic. It's surreal to be standing here today, looking at that same sweet smile. It makes me feel like the luckiest man in the world, but it also makes me feel like I've done something right. I am so proud of us, how far we've come, and what we've built together is my life's greatest achievement. That smile has the ability to brighten and illuminate my darkest of days. You make me laugh constantly and fulfill my life immeasurably. You've been there to shoulder my toughest challenges, and you help to inspire the best version of me every single day. You are my forever, my rock, my best friend, and you are my inspiration to be a better man. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you, Jessica. I love you to the moon and back. Thanks, everyone.
Evan, after all this time spent dreaming of marrying you, I'm still finding it hard to put my love for you into words. The night we met, there was a huge crowd, but everyone disappeared the moment I saw you, and to this day, in a room full of people, you're all I see. I remember getting into the car and telling my mom all about the cute guy I spent the whole night dancing with. A guy who would unknowingly become my best friend, my better half, and my very happy and my very unhappily ever after. I know I can be a little indecisive at times, but today I stand here making the easiest decision of my life, becoming your wife. I know I might not be the best at expressing myself, but today I will tell you this. You are all I ever hoped for and nothing I expected. You are all I ever wanted love to be. You are my dream come true, the love of my life, and I can't wait to spend forever with you.
Evan is the man for Jess. I know this because he loves my sister and she loves him. That's really all that I can ask for my older sister, and he's really a valuable addition to the family. I'm so proud that you're my brother-in-law, Evan.
Evan, you are a respectful, outgoing, smart young man. Everything we wanted and wished for Jessica. She's a lucky girl.
Finding true love is a very rare thing. Once you find it, it's something that you have to grab a hold of and never let go. You were able to find that with Jessica.
As Evan's father, I would like to take the opportunity to thank Jessica's parents for raising such a wonderful young woman who loves my son so dearly. You seem to have brought out the best in him. You make him so happy, and for that, I am eternally grateful.
as you begin something new and marvelous.
I want to thank everyone to raise their glasses in celebration of the newlywed couple. My sister Jess and my newest brother-in-law Evan.